students, welcome back to online classes. Last class we have discussed about the derived gates, that is nothing but your XNOR gate and exclusive OR gate, XOR gate, and also we have the previous class we discussed about the other two types of derived gates, that is your NOR gate and NAND gate. The next concept, and we have already depth into the what is derived gate and how it is being classified, and NOR gate, NAND gate, XOR gate and exclusive OR gate. And very important part of your examination, they will ask for your 1 mark or a 2 mark or even 5 mark question to draw a circuit under universal gates. What is a universal gate? So here NAND and NOR as which gate is called as the universal gate, means NAND and NOR is being called as universal gate. What is the name universal gate means? See, this universal gate is less expensive, is very less expensive and easier to design. See, using your NAND gate and NOR gate, you can design. This is universal gate is a gate in which the basic gates are being designed. With help of universal gates, once again I say universal gate is a gate where universal gate is a gate where basic gates are designed. Basic gates are designed. So what are the basic gates means? Your NOT, I have already told NOT gate, AND gate and OR gate. So these are the basic gates. With help of universal gate, which are the universal gates means with help of NAND gate, NOR gate, you can design your NOT gate, AND gate, OR gate. So the basic gates can be designed with help of your universal gate. Such a gate we call as the universal gate. Which are the universal gate means? NAND and NOR. Why it is called as a universal means? You can with help of NAND and NOR gate, you can design the basic gates. So universal you can use the with help of a NAND and NOR gate, you can design the NOR gate. So in this designing a NOR gate, AND gate or OR gate, or that is nothing but a basic gate, it is very less expensive and the design formation, the logic circuit formation is very simpler. It is also easier. So in order to go to a basic gate or some other derived gate, so you can make use of a universal gate, NAND and NOR gate, and you can design a basic gates. So first we will see how to design a NOT gate with help of NAND gate. NOT gate with NAND gate. How we are going to design a NOT gate with NAND gate. With help of NAND gate, how we are going to design. The next that is here, I have already discussed what is universal gate. Universal gate is nothing but a gate which is designed you are going to design with help of a universal gate, you are going to design the basic gates. What are the basic gates? NOT gate, AND gate and OR gate are designed with help of a universal gates. So universal gate is very less expensive and it is very easier to design the gate, logic circuits. So it is called as the universal gate. What are the universal gates means? NAND and NOR. So first we are going to see with help of NAND gate how we are going to build your basic gates, your NOT gate or AND gate and OR gate. First we will see NAND to NOT gate. That is, you are going to do a NOT operation with help of your NAND gate. So as you know, your NAND gate is nothing but this is your NAND gate. How you are going to implement this? So this is your logic diagram. So in your NOT operation, you are going to take it as X as the input. So the output is X bar. So you should get the output as X bar. But here the same X is been that is in your NAND operation, you are going to accept 2 input. So that is nothing but NOT of X. So NOT of X, this I am taking NOT of X is equals to X NAND X. That is what it is. I am inputting 2 X's, X and X. So the output should be X bar. You should get it accepts 1 input and it should produces the output that is opposite to your input. That is your NOT gate. But in an AND gate, it should be that is it's going to operate on 2 operands. That's all. It's going to operate. It's going to accept 2 or more operands. So I am taking the X as the same input. So X NAND of X and my result should be X bar. How you are going to implement this? So X NAND is nothing but your that is your X that your AND operation is nothing but your X dot X. Your NAND is nothing but your complement of that. So X dot X complement of it. So this x dot x complement is according to your De Morgan's second theorem. According to your De Morgan's second theorem, what it tells means that is your x plus y, x into y the whole bar is equals to x bar plus y bar. So this is your De Morgan's second theorem. So I am going to take the De Morgan's second theorem, that is x bar plus x bar. So this x plus x bar, according to idempotence law, x plus x is equals to x. So that is, it can be written as x bar. So you have proved that. So using a NOT operation, you have taken NOT x as the input. My output is x bar. Once again I will tell. See, NOT operation is nothing but output is nothing but always the input opposite of your input. I have taken with the help of what will be the logic diagram or circuit diagram under a NAND gate is nothing but I have taken, this is my NAND gate. So for NOT operation, I have inputted my x. So x bar. So NOT of x is nothing but in a NAND gate you have to accept two inputs. So x NAND of x. Same. So here x NAND of x is nothing but what is my AND is nothing but x into x. What's my NAND is nothing but just complement. So x into x just complement. So this is your x NAND of x. This is symbolically I have written as x into x is nothing but that is bar is nothing but your NAND gate. So here according to your De Morgan's theorem, x into y the whole bar is equals to x bar plus y bar. So it is written as x bar plus x bar. So according to idempotence law, the what's the variable combined with its variable using a OR gate or AND, using a OR operator or AND operator, the result is same, the same variable. So x plus x bar, that is x bar plus x bar is equals to x bar. So you have proved under your NAND gate, that is you have converted with help of NAND gate how a NOT gate is being implemented. So this is the first one, NAND to NOT gate. Next we will see NAND to AND gate. Next is NAND to AND gate. The second operation is nothing but NAND to AND. So first you are considering only a NAND universal operators or universal gate, sorry, not operator. Next we will see for the NOR. First we will complete all your NAND operation under first one we have seen NOT gate, second one is your AND gate. In this NAND to AND, what is that is nothing but xy can be written as x NAND of y NAND x NAND of y. So this is my operation. So what will be the logic diagram? X, y is my input. I am using a NAND gate. My complementation is x, y the whole bar. Again should be that should be the output should be given. Okay, the output should be given. So what will be my final output is x dot y. So that is what it said. X and y should be NAND. Again should be NAND with x and y. My output will be x, y. So how we are going to implement means this x NAND y. First we will consider x NAND y. So what is this x NAND y means? So x, y the whole bar. So x, y the whole bar is nothing but again to your second Boolean, second De Morgan's theorem, x plus x into y the whole bar is nothing but x bar plus y bar. So you can write x NAND y means it should be written as x bar plus y bar. So the above equation or expression can be written as x NAND y. X NAND y means x bar plus y bar. Okay. Next, NAND of. Again, x NAND y is nothing but x NAND y is nothing but x bar plus y the whole bar. This is according to second theorem. De Morgan's second theorem. De Morgan's theorem. Okay, this is second theorem of De Morgan's. So till here, see once again I say x into y. You should get the result with the help of a NAND gate. You should get the result as x into y. How this can be implemented? X NAND y, NAND of x NAND y. So for the according to that I have written a logic diagram. First I have used a NAND gate, that is x bar into y bar. Again I have implemented, given this as the input, that is nothing but NAND of this. So NAND of xy becomes the x dot y. So for that xy the whole bar is equals to x bar plus y bar. So x NAND y can be written as x bar plus y bar, NAND of x, this one, x bar plus y bar. Now apply this NAND gate, x bar plus y bar into x bar plus y the whole bar. So NAND, you apply a NAND here. Use a NAND operation. So for this, okay, this can be, again we consider, this is my x term, this is my y term, x into y. So again you apply a De Morgan second theorem. What will be this means? X bar plus y the bar whole bar plus, I am using this theorem. What is that? X into y bar is equal to x bar plus y bar. De Morgan second theorem. So this term you consider as x, this term you consider as y. So here x bar plus y bar the whole bar. So okay, next x bar plus y bar the whole bar. Now you apply De Morgan first theorem. So when you apply De Morgan first theorem, so what is my De Morgan first theorem? X plus y the whole bar is equals to x bar into y bar. So for this I am applying first theorem. So this is my x, y. So x bar into y bar, okay, plus as it is. Now you apply for this x bar, okay, x bar double bar plus into y double bar. Now according to involution law, double inversion will get the same as the result. So you can consider x dot y plus x dot y. So according to idempotence law, a variable is combined with its variable will get the same as the result. So that is nothing but x dot y. So I have proved the theorem, that is using a NAND gate how a AND gate can be implemented. Once again I explain. Using a NAND gate how an AND gate can be implemented means, so first you consider x dot y, you should AND gate means but that is x into y, you should get the result. So for that how the expression can be written means, so x NAND of y, again you have to NAND x NAND of y. So in such a case, so you taking x, y, so use a NAND gate, the output result is nothing but complemented. Again you complement this, you will get the original values. So that according to that expression as written, the rule is being given x NAND of y, NAND of x NAND of y. So take that one. First we will solve for the x NAND of y. What is my x NAND of y? The x NAND of y is nothing but, first we will see for x y AND operation. So x into y. For NAND means it should be complemented. So that is equals to x bar plus y bar. So according to second theorem, De Morgan's theorem, so it can be written as, so NAND gate can be written as x bar plus y bar, NAND of x bar plus y bar. Now you apply a NAND gate to this one whole expression. So here it becomes x and here it becomes y. So this becomes x. So x bar according to your second theorem, first theorem. According to second theorem, so this becomes x into y the whole bar, that is x bar plus y bar. So I have taken x bar plus y bar. So now you apply the first theorem rule, that is nothing but x bar plus y bar is equals to x bar into y bar. So double the bar into plus as it is double bar into y the whole bar. So you remove the involution law, you apply, double times you complement, the result is same. So xy plus x into y. So idempotence law, again I apply a idempotence law. Idempotence law is nothing but a variable combined with its variable using an AND operation or OR operation, the result is the same, that is the same variable. So x into y. So this is a NAND gate is implemented with the help of AND gate. AND gate is being implemented with the help of NAND gate. So third one, NAND to OR gate. My third one will see NAND to OR gate. Student, next we are going to see how to convert NAND to OR gate. That is how with the help of a NAND gate, how we are going to implement a OR gate. First we have seen your NOT gate implemented under a NAND gate. Second one we have seen AND gate implemented under an AND gate. Third one is how we are going to implement an AND gate to a OR gate. How we are going to, with the help of an AND gate, how we are going to implement your OR gate. So my OR gate is, my representation is x plus y. That can be written as x NAND of x, NAND of y, NAND of y. So the logic diagram is, so I am taking one NAND gate, that is x. So here what is it? X into x bar. So another one y as my input. So I have taken it as y. So here y into y the whole bar. So this should be given to another NAND gate. So my output will be getted as x plus y. X plus y. So this is the logic circuit diagram for a NAND gate to NOR gate. With the help of a NAND gate, how we are going to implement an OR gate. So x plus y is my expression of an OR gate. So x plus y can be written as x NAND of x, NAND of y, NAND of y. So x NAND of x means, so 2 times I am giving the input. So I have used your one NAND gate, that is nothing but, so here it is taken as x into x. So that is nothing but, when you given to a NAND gate, it becomes x dot x bar. So here y, so y it is given as the input. So in an AND gate, it is taken as 2 input, that is y into y. So it is nothing but y into y the whole bar. So again this should be implemented under a NAND gate. So NAND gate I am using, my result is x plus y. So how we are going to write? First we are going to, before solving the expression, first we will take x NAND x. So that how to remove this NAND operation, represent in the form of symbol x dot x bar. So this is according to your second theorem, that is Boolean second theorem. So this second theorem can be written as x bar plus x bar. So that is nothing but your x bar. Okay, this is for x NAND of x. Next we will see y NAND of y. Y NAND of y. So again y NAND of y is y into y is nothing but y bar. So y bar plus y bar, according to your second theorem, here y into y bar is nothing but y bar. So you have solved for your x NAND of x, x bar, y NAND of y, y bar. So implemented in this particular expression, x NAND of x is x bar, right, as it is this NAND. Y NAND of y is y bar as it is. So remove your NAND operations, write it in the form of symbol x bar into bar whole bar. So this is again I am using that is nothing but your second theorem, that is De Morgan second theorem, that is x bar, that is x into y the whole bar, that is equals to x bar plus y bar. So implement here. So here x double bar plus y double bar. So according to involution, double inversion becomes the same variable. You do twice, you complement, you get the same, that is your same input. See, input is given, you do 2 times a double complementation or double inversion rule. So double inversion rule if you use, you get the same variable x plus y. So this is according to your inversion rule. That is nothing, double times twice you are using a complemented, you are going to get the same variable, that is nothing but x. This is your involution law. According to your involution law. See, once again I have proved that. So using a NAND gate, an OR gate can be implemented x plus y. So once again I explain. So you know that OR gate is nothing but x plus y. So use for that, with the help of x plus y, how we are going to implement, use a NAND gate. So x into NAND of x, NAND of y of NAND of y. So implement this in the form of a logic circuit. I have taken as x and y. So here x 2 inputs, here y. So since it is NAND gate, it is going to accept 2 input, x into x, that becomes x bar, y into y, that becomes y bar. So again this should be NAND with a NAND gate. So you get the result as x plus y. So I have taken the expression x NAND of x. As it is, you write x NAND of x. X NAND of x is nothing but x bar into x bar, that is nothing but x into x the whole bar. According to second, what's the De Morgan's theorem? That is what is my second De Morgan's theorem? X plus y x into y the whole bar is equals to x bar plus y bar. So I have implemented that one here. So here this is my x, this is my y. So here x bar plus x bar. So according to your what is that rule? Idempotence law. According to your idempotence law. So according to the idempotence, a variable combined with its a variable using an OR operation or AND operation is the same variable. So I am getting the x bar. So similarly you do for y in AND of y, you get the y bar. So implement in the form of equation. So here x NAND of x is x bar. You write the NAND as it is. Y NAND of y is y bar as it is. Now remove this NAND and implement in the form of symbol x bar into y bar the whole bar. This again is your what is that? Your De Morgan second theorem. X into y that is your theorem is nothing but x bar plus y bar. So I have written as x bar plus already it has a bar. So on that you have another bar, double bar. So the double inversion rule is nothing but your inversion law, that is x twice its complemented. You will get the same value, that is a variable x. So x as it is plus y. So this is how I have solved that. With the help of an AND gate, you have implemented a OR gate. OR gate can be designed with the help of a universal gate called as the NAND gate. Next we will see the rules to, what are the rules to design NAND to NAND gate with two level of circuits. So next topic is nothing but design rule for a NAND to NAND logic gate. That is only two level circuits. What is the two level circuit means? One circuit, that is you should not combine three circuits. I will explain in our example program how to combine two level circuits. Only it is used for two level circuits. So design rule for NAND to NAND gate. What is the design? Even an OR gate has a design rule. Just one or two, there is a variation. Same the rule is applied. So design a rule for NAND to NAND logic gate or logic network is nothing but there are three rules. What are the three rules? Means derive a simplified sum of products, that is SOP expression. You have to get a simplified SOP expression. So when you want to use a NAND gate, in that NAND gate the expression should be in the form of SOP, sum of product, min terms. So sum of product should be there. Once the expression is in the given simplified SOP form, then draw for that expression, draw a circuit diagram using a basic gate, that is what all means AND, OR and NOT gate. First you draw a basic gate for the given expression, given SOP expression. After drawing a circuit diagram for the expression, just replace all your AND, OR and NOT gates with AND gates. That's what it tells. Replace all your gate what are used in your simplified expression, your basic gate. Your basic gate should be replaced with the help of your universal gate. One of the universal gate, that is nothing but your NAND gate. So here I have done an example. I'll solve this, then you can understand. Draw a circuit for the expression xyz bar plus xz bar. So using a NAND gate, you will get the question like this. So here draw a circuit for this. You are going to draw a circuit. So here it is in the sum of products, that is the SOP form. So what are the inputs? First term you take x, y, z. So here x, y, here it is as having the complement. Use a NOT operator. Okay. So for this what operation is being ANDed. So you use a AND operation for this is. So this is my AND operation. Okay. Then next expression is z x bar. So z as it is your x bar complement, use this complement operation. So this should be ANDed. Use a AND gate. So again this is an AND gate. So here we get the result as x, y, z bar. Here z, here we get as x bar. So z x bar. Okay, I am using a basic gates. So these two should be OR, okay, OR gate. So you use a OR gate. So OR gate, my result is nothing but x, y, z bar plus z x bar. So this is my first I have taken I have derived the simplified sum of products expression. This is in the form of sum of products expression. First rule is being taken. For this I have drawn a logic circuit with the help of a basic gate, AND gate, NOT gate, and even an OR gate I have used. I have drawn a diagram, logic circuit diagram with the help of basic gate. After drawing, replace this whatever circuit diagram which is AND gate, which not has an AND gate, OR gate, NOT gate, should be replaced with a NAND gate. So the given equal. I am replacing. How I am going to replace here means, so here as it is, okay, here I use a NOT gate. For this you use a NAND gate. So these three should be, I have used an AND gate. For this you use a NAND gate. So next Z X bar. Okay. For this Z as it is, for X bar you use a, what's that, NAND gate, and these should be used with a NAND gate. Now these should be replaced with a NAND gate. You will get the result as it is X Y Z bar plus Z X bar. So this is how you are going to replace your basic gate into a NAND gate. These are all NAND gate. See, so this is the rule which has been applied for a NAND to NAND logic circuit. How to draw means, the rule means first to get a simplified sum of product expression. After that, draw the logic circuit with help of basic gates. What are the basic gates means? AND, OR and NOT. After drawing the basic gates logic circuit, then each basic gate should be changed, that is replaced into NAND gate. So I have drawn up, first I have taken the simplified expression, it is in the form of sum of product itself. So f of is equals to x y z bar plus z x bar I have taken. So for this I have drawn a basic gate. After doing a basic gate, I am changing this basic gates into my NAND gates. So you will get a, I have a question, draw a circuit diagram for the given expression using a NAND gate. Then you have to draw the circuit diagram using a NAND to NAND rule. Then you have to draw from your basic gates to your NAND gate. So we will see another example problem under the same NAND to NAND rule. So the next example problem under a NAND to NAND rule. So draw the diagram for the function f of x comma y comma z, that is equals to yz plus xz using a NAND gate. If you are more familiar with using directly, you can use a NAND gates and you can draw directly the given expression. For a more easier way, you can go step by step procedure using the design rules. First rule, you take the function f is equals to yz plus xz. So this is in the form of sum of products, that is your SOP. So here for this expression, you consider, so you draw the basic gates. So here y, z. So it doesn't have any complementation or any NOT gate. So directly it is being ANDed. So AND operation. Okay, you get the result as yz, xz. For this, again you do an AND operation. You get an AND. So what's my result is xz. For this you do a, for that you have an OR operation, that is your OR gate. So this is my OR gate. So here what's my result is yz plus xz. So this is a basic gate representation. You are using the expression you draw on the basic gate, that is here you are using an AND operation and AND gate, OR gate. If necessity, if any it has a complementation, then you are going to use a NOT gate. So this should be just replaced with your NAND gate. So same thing, take the expression, okay, y, z. So use a NAND gate. Next x, z, use a NAND gate. Okay, if there is any complementation, here it should be represented a NAND gate. There is no complementation or NOT gate is being applied. Then these should be, replace your OR gate with your NAND gate. So this is my NAND gate and this is my NAND gate. Here NAND gate. The result produced the same yz plus xz. So then you get the questions like, draw the diagram for the function using NAND gate. There will go the expression using NAND gate. You can directly draw an expression, split the function, that is x NAND of z, NAND of x, NAND of z. You can split the given expression, use a NAND gate, you can directly draw the logic diagram, or if you are feeling very difficult, you go to the rules. First you draw the basic gates, from the basic gates you convert, just replace into a NAND gates. So this is the two example we have seen. Next we will go for your NOR gate, that is your another universal gate is nothing but your NOR gate. So the second universal gate is your NOR. So for your NOR, we are going to implement using, you are going to, with help of a NOR gate, you are going to implement your NOR gate. With help of a NOR gate, implementing a NOR gate with to AND gate. So here I am taking your x, that is a naught of x. So here what will be the limits? X naught x. So for this I am drawing a circuit diagram. So this is my x. Okay, here x. So you will get it as x bar. That is how much? Take the expression x naught x. So x naught of x is nothing but x plus of x bar. Okay. Here according to your first theorem, De Morgan's first theorem, what it tells means De Morgan's first theorem, that is x plus y the whole bar is equals to x bar into y bar. So here again I am applying the rule. So x, here x and this y stands for, so x into x. So that is according to your what's that idempotence law, anything combined with itself using an AND operation or OR operation, the result will be the same variable. So x bar. So I proved the result with help of your NOR gate. I have converted your NOT x to, that is NOT of x is nothing but your x bar. So universal gate can be implemented with help of a basic gate like a NOT gate. So NOT to NOT gate. In NOT to NOT gate, I have taken NOT of x is equals to x NOR of x. So x is my input. So should be complementation should be x bar. So x into x here. So I have taken x NOR of, this is NOR gate of another x. So x NOR of x represented in the form of symbols. So x plus NOR is nothing but your OR operation, complementation of that. So it become a bar. So x plus x the whole bar is nothing but De Morgan's first theorem. X plus y the whole bar is equals to x bar into y bar. So I am taken x bar into y bar, that is nothing but your x bar. So according to your idempotence law, so I have applied the idempotence law here. Idempotence law. So I have applied the idempotence law. A variable combined with its variable using an AND operation or operation, the same variable. So you got the expression as x bar. So NOT of x becomes x bar with the help of your NOR operation. Second one will see NOR to AND or gate. So second one is here from a NOR to OR operation. So what's my NOR operation is a plus b. If I take a variable of a and b, so the expression can be written as a NOR of b, NOR of a NOR b. So the logic diagram is nothing but, so I am taking a two input a, b. I have used a NOR operator. So it will be a plus b the bar. Again I have given to an or NOR gate. So my result, so NOR to OR no, so it will become a plus b. So this is your NOR gate and this is your NOR. So for this you are going to draw how we are going to have drawn our logic circuit diagram. We are going to how we are going to implement this one. So here first we will take a NOR b. So that can be written as a plus b the whole bar. So this can be written as a bar into b bar. So a NOR b can be written as a bar into b bar. I am applying De Morgan's first theorem. Okay. So here, so a NOR b can be written as a bar into b bar. Okay. I am writing this NOR as it is. Next this one, a NOR b is nothing but a bar into b bar. Okay, I have written the expression a NOR b is nothing but a bar into b bar. So I have written a bar into b bar. NOR of, I have taken the same NOR, a bar into b bar. Now you apply this NOR symbol, that is a into bar. So this can this as it is you write it. So this NOR plus a bar into b bar as it is. You apply this particular bar, that is your NOR symbol, complementation. So this act as x and this act as y. That is in the form of your first De Morgan's theorem, x plus y the whole bar. that is nothing but this one, x plus y the whole bar is equals to x bar into y bar. How you represent this one? How we are going to represent means, this is my x term. So x term, this is my x term. I am going to take it as a bar into b bar whole bar into, I am changing to a bar, okay, into b bar the whole bar. This is my x term, this is my y term. Now this is in the form of second theorem. I am using a De Morgan's first second theorem. X dot y is equals to x bar plus y bar. For this De Morgan's second theorem here it is first theorem. So this will be converted into a double bar plus b, okay, double bar into, again I am using a second theorem. So a double bar plus b double bar. So you remove the that is the involution of a plus b into a plus b. So according to idempotency law, a variable combining with another with the same variable using an and or operator, the result is same. So a plus b. So using a NOR operation, I have proved that a plus b that is using a NOR operation, the OR gate can be implemented. What's my OR gate result? OR gate result of here with help of an OR gate is nothing but a plus b. So a plus b is being proved. So this is how NOR to NOR operation works out. So this is about your NOR to NOR. Next we'll see NOR to AND operations. So the third one is your NOR to AND operation. Your NOR to AND operation. So I have taken a into b is equals to a NOR of a, NOR of b, NOR of b. For this you are going to implement a, okay. So you are using a as this one, and here it is a into a, that is a into a bar. So for b, similarly we are using a NAND operation, that is b into b the whole bar. When you here you should use a NAND operation, the result should be a into b. This is the result for this logic diagram. This is a logic circuit diagram. A into of b is equals to a NOR of a, NOR of b, NOR of b. So I have taken a, b, for that a into a NOR of a, for a NOR of a I have implemented b, for b, b NOR of a, both should be implemented under NOR gate. This is NOR gate, sorry, this is implemented using AND gate. So this is NOR gate. NOR should be a into, that is a plus b, the whole bar. The result should be a into b. So the third one is your NOR to AND operation. So a into b should be, and operation is nothing but a into b. So that can be written as a NOR of a, NOR of b, NOR of b. So for a, the NOR operator I am using. For b, the NOR operator. This should be combined. You should get the result of a into b. So first we will take a NOR of b. Sorry, NOR of a. First we will implement. So a NOR of a is nothing but a plus a, the whole bar. So that is nothing but using a De Morgan's first theorem. So it will be a bar into a bar. So that is nothing but a bar. Similarly for b NOR of b. So I am using a De Morgan's theorem. First De Morgan's theorem. Okay. Again this can be written as b NOR of b is nothing but b plus b. Write it in the form of symbol NOR. NOR is nothing but your AND operation. Sorry, OR operation. NOR is nothing but your complementation. So again I am using De Morgan's first theorem, b into b bar. Okay. So here that is nothing but b bar. So for a NOR of a it is a bar. For b NOR of b is nothing but b bar. Implement in this expression. So the expression is what you have an expression a bar. For a NOR of a is a bar. Next you have NOR here as it is you write it. B NOR of b you have b bar as it is written. Now you implement it in the form of symbols. So a bar plus b bar, that is the whole bar. So that is a plus NOR gate is being implemented in the form of symbol. So that is a, here it is nothing but again use a De Morgan's theorem, that is a double bar into b double bar. So that is nothing but a into b. I have proved that using a NOR gate and AND gate can be implemented. That is A, B as it is I have taken. I have used a NOR gate. Here is another NOR gate. You got A bar, B bar. When it is given to another NOR gate, you got is the result as A into B. This is NOR gate. This is NOR gate and NOR gate. So how we have written the expression A NOR of A, NOR of B, NOR of B. So first I have taken the first one A NOR of A. What you got the expression as A bar. Similarly for B NOR of B, I got it as B bar. Implement it in this particular equation. Put it in this particular equation. For A NOR of A is nothing but A bar. I have written NOR as it is. For B NOR of B, for B NOR of B is nothing but B bar. Now to apply the NOR gate. So for NOR you have the whole bar. This is De Morgan's first theorem. That is nothing but A plus B. The whole bar is equals to A bar into B bar. So already it has a bar, so it will become double bar, B double bar. Double involution law, that is your involution law. Double times it is implemented, the result is the same. So A into B. So this is being solved using your NOR operation. We have seen a universal gate, your AND, your NAND operation and a NOR operation. Under NOR, again there is a rule. Design NOR to NOR rule under two level of circuits. Let's see a next topic. The last topic is design a NOR to NOR rule. So next is design rule for NOR to NOR logic. Okay, using a two levels of circuit. Logic gate using a two levels of circuits. So same rule is even used in your NOR gate. Only one rule is being, there are three rules. No, the one rule, first rule is being changed in an AND and NOR gate. Here it should be in the form of product of sum, POS. There it should be in the form of sum of form, that sum of product, that is SOP. Here it should be in the form of product of sums. There it should be sum of product. Same rule. Derive a simplified product of sums, that is in form of the expression, that is nothing but your POS form of expression. Next, draw the same circuit diagram using a basic gates, NOT gate, OR gate and AND gate. After doing the circuit diagram for the given expression, then finally substitute your NOR gates. You change or just replace your gates, that is NOT gate, OR gate and AND gate with your NOR gate. That is the given. Finally substitute NOR gates to NOT gate, OR gate and AND gates. So this is the same rule. Only one rule. There should be your NAND gate should be in the form of sum of product. In your NOR gate should be in the form of product of sum. Apart from the same, the other two rules condition is same. So after this, following these steps, how we are going to design a logic circuit? For example, I have taken one example. F of x comma y comma z is equals to x plus y into y plus z into z plus x. So it is in the form of POS, product of sum. So this is a sum into, in between there is a product. So it is a product of sum, which is in the form of POS. For this you have to do a circuit, that is nothing but your basic gate. After basic gate is being drawn, you have to convert that basic gate into a NOR gate. First I will take the xy. What's this? Here it is used as a OR gate. Next yz. Again it is being used with your OR gate. Next zx. Again it is being used with the OR gate. So all these three should be given in the form of, what is there between these three? This is in the form of AND. So this is your, what the result will have, f. You will get the result as f of x comma y comma z as the function. So I have used an OR gate. There is no complementation in this example. You can try for even a complementation. OR gate, suppose if it is a complementation here. So here I am using a NOT operator. Okay, there is a complementation. Okay, y bar. I have used a NOT operator. So this is your basic gate. This basic gate should be replaced with use of a NOR gate. How we are going to replace with? Same thing, to take x, y. I am using a NOR gate. So I am used a NOR gate. Next, y is there. Y it is being has a, what is that? Complement. So I made it as complement. Z as it is there. Use a NOR gate. So this is NOR gate. This is NOR gate. So next you have Zx. So use a complementation. That is nothing but, sorry, use a NOR NOR gate. So here you need to add to it is a two level circuits. First use a one NOR gate, okay, and that NOR gate should be combined with another NOR gate. So this provides a function f of x comma y comma z. This is the two level circuits. You cannot combine three NOR gate at a time. You have to, when three NOR gate is there, so you have to make it into a two level circuit. Two NOR gates should be combined once, then the other two NOR gates. So that is nothing but two NOR gates, two level circuits. So x y as it is I have taken NOR gate, y it is being complemented since I used the complementation, one NOR gate. So that y and that y is it, and this should be combined with the what's that NOR gate. Then you have zx. I have used a NOR gate. First these two combined with the two level circuit. It's a two level circuit. So it is being got the result. Then the my last xz should be combined with another level circuit. So this gives the result of your simplified expression for the x plus y bar plus z into z plus x. So like that you can solve the n number of expression using a design rule for NOR gate. So today's class I wind up this particular chapter, your logic gates. So we have started with what is logic gates, basic gates.